8 beautiful plants that most people kill. Dizzy face seedling, do you have one? Have you ever bought a plant that died too soon? Thinking face, some houseplants are incredibly beautiful but also extremely sensitive, making them difficult to care for. In this video, we'll introduce 8 stunning plants that many people struggle to keep alive. If you've ever had one of these plants, share your experience in the comments below. 1. Fittonia. Pushpin main problem, extremely sensitive to underwatering and wilts quickly. Small blue diamond Fittonia, with its vibrant, veined leaves, is absolutely stunning, but if it goes even a few hours without water, its leaves will dramatically droop. White heavy checkmark solution, this plant requires high humidity and consistent watering. Keep the soil slightly moist and mist the leaves regularly. 2. Caladium. Pushpin main problem, needs bright indirect light and high humidity to thrive. Small blue diamond Caladium's colorful, eye-catching leaves make it a favorite among plant lovers, but it quickly turns yellow and weak if the humidity is too low or it doesn't get enough light. White heavy checkmark solution, keep it near other plants to increase humidity and place it in bright, indirect light. 3. Monstera Adansonii. Pushpin main problem, too much water causes root rot, and too little water leads to dry, crispy leaves. Small blue diamond, this unique plant with its hole-filled leaves is highly sought after, but improper watering can ruin it quickly. White heavy checkmark solution, use well-draining soil and only water when the top layer of the soil is dry. 4. Boston Fern. Pushpin main problem, leaves turn yellow and brown in dry air. Small blue diamond Boston Fern loves humidity, but if your home is too dry, its leaves will drop and turn brown. White heavy checkmark solution, use a humidifier or mist it daily to maintain humidity. 5. Calathea. Pushpin main problem, leaves curl up and develop brown spots easily. Small blue diamond Calatheas are extremely sensitive to tap water and dry air. Chlorine in tap water can damage their delicate leaves. White heavy checkmark solution, use filtered water for watering and maintain high humidity around the plant. 6. Alocasia. Pushpin main problem, prone to root rot and highly sensitive to low light. Small blue diamond with its large, striking leaves, Alocasia is a showstopper, but it requires very specific care. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while insufficient light can cause yellowing leaves. White heavy checkmark solution, keep it in bright, indirect light and water carefully to avoid overwatering. 7. African Violet. Pushpin main problem, extremely sensitive to temperature changes and overwatering. Small blue diamond African violets need just the right amount of light to bloom, but too much water can lead to root rot and fungal issues. White heavy checkmark solution, place it in a well-lit spot and only water when the top layer of soil feels dry. 8. Phalaenopsis Orchid. Pushpin main problem, highly sensitive to temperature fluctuations and humidity levels. Small blue diamond Phalaenopsis orchids are one of the most popular houseplants, but they can quickly drop their flowers and develop wrinkled leaves if conditions aren't ideal. White heavy checkmark solution, keep them in a stable environment with moderate humidity and water only when the roots turn silver. These plants are stunning but can be challenging to care for. If you've had trouble keeping any of them alive, don't worry, you're not alone. By following these tips, you can improve your plant care and help them thrive. Seedling Greenheart. Fire, have you ever owned one of these plants? Have you struggled with plant care? Share your experience in the comments below. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel.